The time is 4:13. This is my National Ceiling Fan Day participation video. Now, me and Kosemenko made a compromise because my dad would not shut the entire system off. So it's normally 72, 73, 74, so it's at 77 now. I'm not sure who my family put it up to this. I believe it was my mom. So I know my dad probably wouldn't have done this, but because I did tell my mom about it. But it's at 77. And that's what it's been all morning, all day. And then it is a dull kind of day outside. It is cloudy, and it was raining earlier, but just like drizzle. So it's kind of not as hot as it normally would be. So I'll give you guys a round up of all the ceiling fans. Okay, and here, Casablanca, Panama, 5 Gallery Edition from 1988. Until they touch. Right before I did this video, the air conditioning decided it was going to turn on, so sorry about that. But, there are no fans around in the living room. So it's just in the bedrooms, basically. And in my brother's room, the Quorum Galaxy. This bulb just burned out. It's on low. I would run the box fan, but I might go ahead and do that soon. My room has the most fans running and the most fans in all, anyway. Olympia on medium. Holmes Tower fan on medium. Honeywell fan on high. This guy's on medium. Tornado fan is off. This one on low. So yeah. I see that all of our house is going to be on 77 the whole day. Unless I bring some fans out into the living room, which I might consider doing at this point. I probably just need to bring the tower fan out into the other room, which is what I'm actually just going to do now. I'll see how that goes. Okay, I just moved the tower fan into the living room. And I also plugged in the box fan. So that's on high. That'll make my brother's room a little bit cooler. And as for the living room, I have this running on breeze mode. But now it's running on high. It does not oscillate. So there you go. Help lower the temperature a bit. Still at 77. Yeah, so. I would turn this on medium, it's just that it wobbles so badly on medium. I just need to fix it. I wouldn't necessarily actually really call that bad. Just at the box. I need to suit it with some different blade arms. In fact, I'm just gonna use the other blade arms that are polished brass from the current fan in my room, and then whenever I sell that, I'll just give you guys 2 different sets of blades. That's what I'll do. You don't need 2 different sets of blade arms because they're exactly the same. Anyway, thanks guys. This will be uploaded today, I believe. Oh yeah, let's say that it's Thursday, but it's obvious a Thursday. So, yeah. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.